As temperatures go up, systems are at greater risk of going down. And with summer hotter than usual, the only thing between your building and the heat is your HVAC system. But what happens when it gives out to the non-stop scorching weather? Do you have the time and dollars to deal with a major equipment failure? Instead of waiting until it's too late, act now. Turn to the professionals and minimize downtime, discomfort, and surprise expenses with Mechanical Systems Company. With equipment evaluations to improve energy efficiency, our team will keep your summer cool. Don't let high temperatures turn into high costs. Call Mechanical Systems today and save your summer with our commercial HVAC services and facility maintenance.